Dear students, in this session let me discuss application of box product and sums based on box product. Application of scalar triple product. Here the first one, volume of parallelepiped with coterminous edges ABC. See here, this is parallelepiped. Parallelepiped means it is in the shape of here that is parallelepiped. Here with coterminous edges means ABC. Here we have all are here in this parallelepiped shape. Then its volume, which is equal to that box product of vectors ABC. Here remember that note point, if ABCD are the points which determine the parallelepiped whose coterminous edges AB, AC and AD, then volume of parallelepiped which is equal to the box product of AB, AC, AD, because AB, AC, AD are the coterminous edges of a parallelepiped. So this is the first application of scalar triple product. Again another one application, volume of tetrahedron with coterminous edges A, B and C. So I am going to give this tetrahedron shape here. We have A, B, C. These are the three coterminous edges. So its volume will be equal to 1 by 6 into the box product of ABC. Here the proof is not needed. So just remember the formula for this volume of tetrahedron. Now the important note, if ABCD are the points which determine the tetrahedron with coterminous edges AB, AC, AD, then volume of tetrahedron, this is equal to 1 by 6 into the box product of AB, AC, AD. So keep remember this point also. If box product is negative, therefore but volume cannot be negative. So in that case ignore the sign of box product. Student, here whenever you are going to get a minus sign while finding the volume of tetrahedron or parallelepiped, here if you get minus sign, just neglect it, just consider that is positive sign, because that volume can never be a negative. So therefore we have to take it as only positive. Find the volume of parallelepiped if the coterminous edges are given by the vector j plus k plus I plus j. So this is the given question. We have to find out the volume of parallelepiped. Now the solution will be given. Here the three vectors j plus k plus I and I plus j here will be written as, let A is equal to j plus k, means here the coefficient of I is 0 here. So I am going to write the standard form 0I plus j plus k, and B vector is equal to k plus I, means which is equal to I plus 0j plus k and I plus j, that is C vector. So this is equal to I plus j plus 0k. Then volume of parallelepiped with the coterminous edges ABC. Here this is given as the box product of ABC vector. So this will be equal to the determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 and C1, C2, C3. Now consider the box product of ABC here, because these three are the coterminous edges of a parallelepiped. So this will be equal to the determinant 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0. Now for the simplification, consider this determinant So 0 into this remaining determinant means again it is 0. So that I am going to take it as 0 only. Minus 1 into the bracket of that is 0 into 1 is 0, minus 1 into 1 is 1. Again plus 1 into the bracket of 1 into 1 is 1 and minus 1 into 0 is 0. This will be equal to 1 plus 1 because 0 is neglected. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 and 1 into 1 is 1. So that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is equal to 2. Therefore, the volume of parallelepiped is 2 cubic units because that volume always here we can measure by cubic units. Again, some more problems here. If ABCD are 111, 213, 213, 322, 334 respectively, then find volume of the parallelepiped with AB, AC and AD as coterminous edges. Therefore, here position vector of point A is equal to small a vector is equal to I plus j plus k because that A contains the coordinates 1, 1, 1. So therefore the vector is I plus j plus k. Similarly, position vector of the point B is equal to that is B vector is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k and position vector of point C is equal to 3, that is C vector is equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k. And next position vector of the point D contains 3, 3, 4 coordinates. Therefore, it will be equal to vector D is equal to 3i plus 3j plus 4k. Now, after finding all the position vectors, now find out AB. So that is B minus A. Therefore, it is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k minus of that A vector is I plus j plus k. After here simplification, 2i minus i is 1i plus j minus j is 0j plus 3k minus k is equal to plus 2k. Then we can find out AC. Right, AC is equal to C vector minus A vector. Then this is equal to 3i plus 2j plus 2k minus of I plus j plus k. On simplification, we get 3i minus I plus 2i. 2i minus 2j minus j means it is plus j. 2k minus k is equal to plus k. And next AD is equal to D minus A, that will be equal to 3i plus 3j plus 4k minus into the bracket of I plus j plus k. So this is exactly equal to 2i plus 2j plus 3k. After getting all these three vectors, now we have to find out the volume of parallelepiped with coterminous edges along AB, AC, AD. This will be equal to the box product of AB, AC, AD. So which is also equal to the determinant that is 102, next 2, 1, 1 and next 2, 2, 3. Now we have to find out the value of this determinant. So 1 into that 1 into 3 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So this is 3 minus 2 and next plus, here minus 0 into the bracket of this thing means again it is 0 only. So that's just neglected and plus 2 into the bracket of 2 into 2 is 4 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So for the next step 1 into 3 minus 2 is again 1 only. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 into 2 is again 4. So this is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, the volume of parallelepiped with coterminous edges is equal to 5 cubic units. Along that AB, AC and AD vectors. The next example, show that volume of the tetrahedron whose coterminous edges are 7i plus k, 2i plus j plus 5j minus 3k and 4i plus 3j plus k is 14 cubic units. Now to show this one, let vector ABC are coterminous edges of a tetrahedron. Therefore A is equal to that first vector 7i plus k, means this is also equal to 7i plus 0j plus k, and B vector is equal to 2i plus j minus 3k, and C vector is equal to 4i plus 3j plus k. Now consider the formula for volume of tetrahedron with coterminous edges A, B, C. This is equal to 1 by 6 into the box product A, B, C. Therefore, these are the vectors here. Now, here 1 by 6 into that box product will be equal to again the determinant. So, that determinant contains 7, 0, 1 and the second row contains 2, 5, minus 3 and the third row contains 4, 3, 1. On simplification, here we will get 7 into the bracket of 5 minus of minus 9, next minus 0 here and here I am not going to that determinant, corresponding determinant here. So plus 1 into the bracket of 2 3 is 6 minus 5 4 is 20. Therefore this is equal to 1 by 6 into the bracket of 5 minus of minus 10 is plus 9. So 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So 7 into 14 and it is 6 minus 20 means minus 14. Minus 14 into 1 is minus 14. Therefore, in the next step 6 by 6, because here 7 minus 1 means I am going to take 14 common. So 7 minus 1 is equal to here 6. So 6 by 6 into 14. So after cancelling 6 and 6, here we have 14 cubic units. Therefore, volume of tetrahedron is equal to 14 cubic units. It is the proof of this given problem. Now, take all these assignment questions and solve them. Also, I have given that key answers. Just verify your answers along with your answers. Thank you.